here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. Small block Chevy power underneath the hood. 305 V8. That's paired up with a manual transmission, 4-speed. Take a look at the chrome in the bumper. That chin spoil underneath there and the RS style front end with the hideaway headlights. Wraparound stripe. Yes, you see the 327 badging here, but again, 305 small block Chev. Take a look at the still pictures. You can be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see the top up, top down trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, red exterior, black vinyl bucket seat interior. Also a black vinyl convertible top. That is a manual top, and I'll show you how it folds up. One person can do it, very simple. Take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see these panels really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Riding on a rally style slotted wheel. Chevrolet center caps, beauty rings. Great look on this car, no doubt about that. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And at the very end of this video, Jason will take over a drive, show you how it drives out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the chrome in the rear bumper. Looking good. There are a few spare parts that will go along with this too. They're in the trunk, and you'll be able to see those in the still pictures if you want to check those out. We have close-ups in the still pictures. Heater does blow hot, technician noted. Also, brakes are 80% or better at all four corners. He did mention the tires, decent tread, but age-wise, state codes are getting up there, 07 and 01. So, going to do much driving with this one. Want to take it down the road, give you the heads up on that. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Gen 1 Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. And you can see driver's side. Paint has a nice shine to it. Again, not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Car has a great stance to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. A couple other things that tech did mention. The lights, obviously lights work. Those RS style hideaway headlamp doors, they are manual. If you're going to drive it at night, open them up, turn on the headlights. Any other time, just close them up, leave them closed. Bucket seats, as you can see, free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact. Also, take a look at the underside pics. Some good pics of the underside on this one. The technician did note there's a couple seeps, but very minor, and you'll be able to look at the underside. See, nice and dry. So, but I want to give you a heads up on that. It's a car. Get in, drive it, have some fun. All right, it's fired up so you can hear it run. Again, small block Chev power. You can see that. Tack is working there on the right side. 4-barrel quadra jet on it. The fuel gauge is working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure. Aftermarket stereo system. Dash looks good. Make sure we're in neutral here. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. That is a true, complete dual exhaust, so you know. All right, let me pause this a second. I'll pop the hood open so we can check out that engine bay. And after that, I'll fold up the top, show you how that folds up. And again, stick around to the very end. We'll take you for a drive, kind of a virtual ride, if you will. All right, so I was doing the hood too. I just flipped the headlight doors open so you can see headlights working, and those doors are kind of spring loaded, so they just slide right out of the way and stay out of the way. Here it is. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Power steering. Nice smooth running V8, no doubt about that. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. There, it's down at low idle. Let it warm up just a little bit. Smooth runner, sounds good. Just a little nice, subtle rumble. All right, let me get the tripod set up here a second, and I'll show you this top getting folded up. And the convertible top. So manual top, easy to put up, as you can see. Take a look above the windshield. Looking good, nice tight fit. Rolled the side window or side glass up also. See how that fits. A little bit of wear, but not really anything too major. Black vinyl, as you can see. Rear window clear. Over here on the passenger side, kind of a little spot where there's a little bit of wear. Nothing for any major holes or rips or anything like that. Just a couple real tiny little wear spots. If you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's not going to have a problem doing that at all. Side glass up on the passenger side. And again, back around above the windshield. Looks good. And how many times are you going to drive this car with that top up? 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, stick around to the very end of this video, and you're going to see Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the center console. Clutch feels really good, easy to shift. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Very smooth running Camaro. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. The tach on the right, inside that is a clock, and it is counting the seconds. Nice throttle response and acceleration in this Camaro. Down below on the center console we have our gauges. The fuel gauge is just under half. The temperature is about a quarter of the way up. The oil pressure is approximately 38 pounds of pressure. And the battery gauge is right near the middle of the gauge. Comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this Camaro. A little bit of wind noise around that top where the window seals, but it is a cold winter day in Minnesota. A little bit of that is expected. This car sounds good. Has a nice exhaust note coming out the tailpipe. Brakes feel good, brakes nice and straight. Steering wheel is centered. And power steering makes it easy to steer. This car doesn't lean too much in the corners. Camaro's being kind of lightweight for their day. You can tell. And a great driver. Check out all the pictures of this 1968 Chevy Camaro convertible at uniqueclassiccars.com.